This is one specific application of AI, but I believe there are more applications down the road that will make sense, and we'll talk about that later in the presentation. I believe that Tesla is arguably the leaders in real-world AI as it applies to the real world. Those of you who have seen the full self-driving beta can appreciate the rate at which the neural net is lending to drive. We reveal the enigmatic roadmap that might propel Tesla to an incredible 10 trillion valuation in today's film, giving us a glimpse into the company's future, where the stakes are high and the possibilities are endless. Yes, you read that correctly, 10 trillion. But what are the mysteries underlying this bold objective? Come along as we examine the critical role that fully autonomous driving technology will play as we delve deeply into Tesla's journey from a car company to a global force with surprises around every corner. Prepare to unleash the potential of Tesla's exciting business model by solving the puzzles surrounding its diverse business plan and figuring out the hints provided by experts. Don't miss a second of this exciting journey filled with innovation, progress, and even a few surprises along the way. Keep an eye out for the details that might turn Tesla into a 10 trillion doll. Strong hold before we begin. Please make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell buttons. Now that we're going to get started, let's take a closer look at the quickly growing electric car market, which is expected to rise by 30% globally this year. This increase means that from 10.5 million units sold in 2022 to an expected 14 million this year, EVs now accounts for nearly 20% of worldwide car sales, which is an extremely amazing accomplishment in this market. Though it is one of the most shorted stocks, and many of those who bet against it have suffered significant losses, Tesla is a brand that is frequently singled out by market skeptics. Today's conversation centers on Tesla's ability to reach an incredible $10 trillion valuation by 2030 and the tactics the company will need to employ to reach this milestone. With cars starting at $40,000 or less, Tesla has transcended its early reputation as a niche luxury electric vehicle brand and become an approachable symbol in the automotive industry. The way Tesla has executed its strategy is amazing. While some opponents concentrate on valuation and potential margin difficulties, we also examine many aspects of Tesla's operations, such as the Cybertruck, the Tesla truck, its enormous charging network, and improvements in autonomous driving, green energy, energy storage, artificial intelligence, robotics, and the upcoming robot taxi. Some see Tesla's pricing approach as a calculated ploy to outmaneuver rivals and keep healthy profit margins. Industry titans who are closely monitoring the electric vehicle revolution are joining us for this fascinating study. One of the knowledgeable observers of industry trends on our team of specialists is Es Monroe. Together, Dan Ies, an expert on technology companies, and Kathy Wood, well known for her visionary investment methods, offer priceless insights into Tesla's growth trajectory and its significant impact on the global landscape. Though Tesla's rapid climb has generated doubts about its valuation, our experts see a different image they envision. They explain how Tesla's innovations are transforming these industries and why it's a beacon of opportunity for investors. The EV giant is reportedly working on a new Model Y at its Shanghai facility, with production set to begin in mid-2024. This information stems from a Bloomberg report that rekindled conversations about Project Juniper, which was first mentioned back in March. Tesla is a powerful force ready to dominate the industry. The possibility of the company reaching a valuation in the trillions and seeing its stock price soar to $1,000 is an intriguing prospect that we thoroughly examine. Currently, the focus is on the Model Y, which is generating headlines with its anticipated makeover. Tesla has a history of improving its models to both meet and beyond customer expectations. The Model 3 has already undergone a sleek makeover that has thrilled consumers in China and other international countries, but the big question still stands as to when this updated Model 3 will finally make its much-anticipated appearance in the US. There is a tangible sense of excitement among Tesla fans nationwide as they anticipate the release of this upgraded masterpiece. These changes aim to improve the user experience as a whole, not simply the aesthetics. Tesla is well known for its understated interior designs, but it's also adding features like ambient lighting and a stand to many contemporary cars, which suggests that the company wants to maintain its position as a leader in the market. A contender for this year's best-selling vehicle worldwide shows Tesla's commitment to little, steady advancements. The question of when these updates will arrive in the US remains, given the anticipation surrounding the release of the updated Model 3. However, these adjustments are necessary for Tesla to maintain its competitive edge in the increasingly crowded EV market. In a fascinating twist, the focus now turns to the interior technology that defines what makes Tesla so special. At its core is a massive touchscreen that transports drivers to an Apple iTunes-like experience, particularly when the vehicle enters its absurd mode. But this technological marvel is more than just a touchscreen. It's a portal to a world of possibilities and cutting-edge innovation. Ambient lighting is one example of how Tesla pays attention to detail. This feature takes the driving experience to a whole new level, and when combined, these elements create a product that stands out and sets Tesla apart in the competitive landscape of electric vehicles. Additionally, there is talk about BYD, a major player in the EV market, surpassing Tesla in all-electric car sales for the first time in a single quarter. This development underscores the fierce competition in the EV space, particularly in important markets like China. As a result, Tesla's success story is largely attributed to its unwavering commitment to innovation. Looking ahead, analysts and enthusiasts alike are closely following Tesla's journey, analyzing how its innovations and market strategies will shape its stock value and investment appeal in the long run. The company's commitment to new technologies is expected to propel it to new heights over the next 10 years. The world is moving towards more sustainable energy, and Tesla is at the forefront of this movement, setting the standard for environmentally friendly power. The automaker's plan to grow its business is being consistently bolstered by Tesla's increasing influence and reach. Horizontal, a major component of their growth strategy for the next 10 years, is expanding into new markets and regions, but projecting the future is uncertain. Professional evaluations and insights provide insightful viewpoints. According to these expert opinions, Tesla's 2030 vision is not only audacious, but also rife with the potential to bring about profound changes on a global scale. The company's plans and advancements in the field of sustainable energy are expected to have a major influence and may change how people view environmental conservation and energy consumption globally in less than 10 years. Analysts such as Alexander M. project that by 2033, Tesla may be producing an impressive 20 million vehicles. Additionally, Tesla bulls are optimistic about the company's financial future, predicting earnings between $10 billion and $1 billion this year, potentially marking it as the most profitable in the decade. The demand for electric vehicles, which are often considered superior to internal combustion engine vehicles, is a significant driver of Tesla's growth, with the adoption of EVs on an upward trajectory. Tesla has evolved from a simple car manufacturer to a powerhouse. Tesla's motor vehicle production is anticipated to accelerate dramatically, but the picture for 2024 is more complicated after the company's notably depressing most recent conference call, when estimates for the year were revised down. Although Tesla had hoped to increase its units by 50% annually, the consensus now stands at 20% as we look to the future. The long-term profits growth estimate for 2025 takes precedence over current issues, with beyond projections indicating that earnings might approach $10 per share in 2025 and could rise in the years that follow. The expected increase in unit sales and the anticipated return. Furthermore, Tesla's complete autonomous software might considerably boost these margins. In response to criticism of Elon Musk's leadership, it is evident that he is still a divisive figure. Musk has consistently shaped Tesla's story with his actions and remarks, which range from tearful interviews to guest appearances on podcasts like Joe Rogan's. Could cause a snicker, his impact on Tesla's success cannot be disputed. Investors are aware that supporting Tesla entails embracing Musk's distinct leadership style, which has been likened to Steve Jobs. However, pragmatic leadership is just as important as visionary leadership. As we traverse these conversations, Tesla has come under fire for missing certain short-term goals while hitting others. The EV market is clearly expanding, and even though Tesla's future is unknown, it will probably have an impact. Forecasts for the market's growth and the introduction of new vehicles, together with government incentives and supportive policies, will likely lead to an increase in the use of EVs. According to expert Alexandra M., Tesla's advances in ASD could result in a 200% boost in the company's valuation. Additionally, she projects significant sales and profit margins for Tesla, subject to the performance of the company's expanding energy and automotive industries. This twofold focus sets up Tesla for 10 years of exponential development. Many consumers have had a wake-up call from the spike in petrol prices, which has led many to switch to electric vehicles. With a substantial and growing lead in social media metrics, Tesla has become a dominant force in this market. A measure of public interest shows a 23% decline in Tesla mentions year over year, but this is seen favorably as it indicates a shift in attention from corporate drama to the actual vehicles. Web traffic to Tesla's website has increased by 26% over the past year, a sign of rising consumer interest in the company. Given that it set out to be a compelling automotive company for the 21st century in 2011, Tesla has surpassed expectations by launching groundbreaking vehicles. This is mostly due to the company's varied business strategy, which includes EV production, energy, FSD insurance, and superchargers. Cars such as the much-anticipated Cybertruck and the Model Y, the way they handle manufacturing, insurance, and repairs is completely changing the car industry. Tesla's energy division also experienced notable expansion, with revenue rising by 38.6% on an annual basis. This achievement demonstrates how widely Tesla's influence has spread. Notwithstanding the difficulties posed by inflation and the crisis, moving beyond merely electric cars to sustainable energy solutions, given its tenacity and creative thinking, Tesla looks like it will prosper going forward. These projections and evaluations offer priceless information to investors, assisting both seasoned and novice investors in making knowledgeable choices regarding Tesla's stock. Due to its long-term performance, which shows the company's excellent development trajectory as one of the largest corporations in the world, Tesla's stock is among the most widely monitored in the market. Tesla's impressive product portfolio and successful business model continue to win people over, even though some may still be skeptical about the company. Any potential investor must comprehend the entire extent of the business's activities and possibilities. So there you have it, gentlemen. Let's quickly review the main themes we covered in our analysis of Tesla's incredible rise from a small communications manufacturer to a leader in EV technology and sustainable energy solutions. Analyst projections for Tesla's growth are positive, particularly given its developments in fully autonomous driving technology and its growing global market presence. We also mentioned the notable shift in consumer preferences towards electric vehicles, which is being driven by rising fuel costs and environmental consciousness. Now that we've established Tesla's leadership in this field through its creative approach to car manufacturing, energy solutions, and diversified business strategy, let's consider a few more questions. In your opinion, how will Tesla contribute to the development of sustainable transportation in the future? Can it continue to lead the EV market in the face of increasing competition? How will Tesla's forays into other industries, including as energy and insurance, affect its total growth? Please feel free to leave your comments below. We hope that this conversation has been informative. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tesla Stock News.